Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Indonesia Cultural Festival 2016. First of all, we'd like to thank the President of IIEC and IIEC officials, and also to the same presenters and the crew to make this event happen. Today, more than 150 students will travel all the way from Indonesia to perform the traditional old folklore tale of the Sabai, the noble warrior, Princess of Padang, Western Sumatra, through musical drama and dances. Now please welcome Ms. Sri Indah Permata to give her presentation of our program here in Australia.
He doesn't have the password. Just have to find that. We don't have the. You need an announcement. Just Nicholas Duffy. Can you call them?
Just in case it gets bumped.
We apologize for not playing the video. So now we're going to play the video presenting by Miss Sri Indah Permatasari. Welcome.
Overseas program is a mandate for all of our students under the International Islamic Education Council supervision. This is a yearly event, so every now and then we send hundreds of Indonesian students and educators to several different countries around the world. This year we send them to your country, Australia. Through Overseas program, we strive to provide opportunities for our younger generation to learn from cross-cultural experiences. These opportunities include intercultural interactions and excursions to give them a more open and interconnected perspective of our global society. We aim to inspire and broaden their horizon in the way they view and understand the world as a whole, so they are able to shift their mindset from being local to being global citizens. With knowledge they gain through this program, we hope to see more passion to promote global peace and prosperity in their future leadership. Although the impact we're trying to make may not be significantly achieved overnight, but we are certain and optimistic that the cross-cultural experiences gleaned from these opportunities will continue nourishing them in creating a harmonious interconnectedness in their conceptual and political approach to the outside world. We believe it is within this experience that the young generation will gain the ability to relate to other nations. This is what eventually will contribute to conflict prevention, resolution, enable better international relations, facilitating developments, and make the world feel more like home to all of us. Here in Australia, our students were hosted by the New South Wales Department of Education. They played and studied with your kids, joined their classes, and cherished the good times and bad times. They had the chance to explore your beautiful city and were warmly welcomed in your community. They get to know your language, culture, history, and your very nice people. Thank you, Australia, for your hospitality and kindness. As in our tradition, a gratitude always followed by a beautiful gift. Here is a gift for you, Australia, the radiance of equatorial emerald.
Wish that you had chosen.
Aku tahu bininya banyak, bukan main. Tiap hari Baiklah, jika begitu kata adik, aku yang akan berbicara dengan sabar. Panggilkan Mangkutak. Anakku sabar ya kawe. Kenapa di kota Pak Firmanmu? Jika di kau sakit, ayah carikan obat.